Hey guys, welcome back to my studio, or garden. We have to house our plants over the winter in here. So yeah, so I'm in the studio and I'm staining a little bench that I made for my wife for us to put on our front porch, and she's going to decorate it all festive with like logs and pine cones underneath it. And anyway, I'm super proud of how it turned out. There's only like 3 major cuts that you really need to make, or 3 sizes of 2x4s. I think I bought about 10 2x4s, and I probably could have done it with 7. But anyway, yeah, I'm super proud of how it turned out. Still got this guy. I'll show you something about him in just a minute. But yeah, here's a little bench. So that's pretty much it. It's slotted there. I would sit on it and show you, but you know, hey, it's drying. Yeah, super proud of how that turned out. I know usually when I do a welcome to my studio video, it's usually about art, but hey, still got this piece. Let me show you something real quick about this piece. Just a second. So the camera's having a hard time focusing in the dark, but the antlers glow in the dark. And I don't know if this will pick up, but right up there are the glow-in-the-dark paints. They glow in the dark too. So yeah, so the antlers glow in the dark, so whoever gets this, it'll be a fun surprise for them when they turn the lights out, because the glow-in-the-dark paint that I used for them, they are recharged by just normal lights or sunshine. If there's a window near it, it'll charge them. Overhead lights, any kind of UV light or natural light will charge them. So anyway, made a bench for the wife. Super impressed how it turned out. I didn't film the process. Really just been enjoying not like being present with my daughter and my wife and just playing and not filming everything. Not everything has to be filmed. Just you YouTubers out there, just know that. Not as a condemnation, just as like, hey, keep some of those things private and secret and just special for you and your family. With that being said, like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. Welcome to another episode of Welcome to My Studio, and I will see y'all on the next one. By the way, would you prefer to see more Welcome to My Studios in its own YouTube channel? Just art. All right. Thanks for watching. I'm really grateful y'all are here. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Oh no, baby beard. It's coming back. It still works.